Assalamu alaikum everyone. So time for another update. Yesterday on the 1 hour time frame we saw a nice good little bit of a squeeze. We saw bonk literally trying to break above here and made a fake out and then went to the downside. So a little bit of manipulation happened right over there, but then eventually you started to come down again to this particular previous neckline that you had. So if I go back into the 4 hour time frame right now, then you have your support, which is looking pretty good right now, and this is the next big place where probably I may say that buying is a good idea and stuff like that. So you're looking for that little bit of resistance, move down, resistance, break above, coming down again, and turning that into support right now. So bonk has been down ever since, coming from nearly 17,000 here, and it's actually been down like 31%. So I may say it's a correction, big correction, but it's a huge loss for the people who entered earlier. So imagine having $1,000 and going down $300 at the moment, and then thinking and expecting that things are going to go back up, everything is going to be okay, and eventually things don't go your way, or they don't go in your expectation. So the most likely scenario is that we really come down to even probably touch 10,761, and this is where I may actually say that buying here could be a good idea. Perhaps from here, this is where you may bounce really to go back up to 21246, because this is a target that has been on the charts in a while, but it didn't actually do it here. Perhaps after this little bit of correction, we may see that target in the future also. And I think that coming down to 8478 is going to create invalidation of really even coming up here, to be honest with you, because this is not going to be a good price. If you come down here, a lot of targets are going to be destroyed. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Office.